Hello students, how are you? Oh, you're good. That's great. By the way, for today's discussion, we're going to talk about patterns. Again, patterns. By the way, patterns are created when figures, shapes, or objects are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Again, patterns are created when figures, shapes, or objects are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. The figures here refer to the numbers. The shapes, you know it already, right? Like square, rectangle, star, triangle, and others. And also objects like pencil, bands, table, and others. Okay, so that is what we call figures, shapes, or objects. If they are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again, that is what we call pattern. Okay. Did you know that we can see different patterns like on clothes, garland, pillowcase, bags, and others. Again, we can see different patterns in anything.
I'll show you some examples. Students, look at the bracelet. We have square, circle, triangle. Again, square, circle, triangle, and so on. This is what we called pattern, as it is repeating itself. Again, this is what we called pattern, as it is repeating itself.
Another example, we have square, star, square, star, square. What comes next? Yes, that's great. That's star. Okay, another one. We have bags, pencil, crayon. What's next? Yes, bag, pencil, crayon. Oh, what comes next? Very good. It's bag.
Another example. Students, look at the cards. Each card has a pattern of dots. As we can see, we have arranged a few cards here. The card starts with 2 dots. Next, 3 dots, 4 dots, and 5 dots. And now, students, let's continue the same pattern. So what comes next? Yes! The next card will be the card with 6 dots. Next, 7 dots. Next, 8 dots. And the last one, 9 dots. So as we can see, the pattern is to count on one more. Again, the pattern is to count on one more.
We can also find patterns in numbers, like number 1. What's next? 2. Next. 3. 4. 5. 6. What's next? Yes, 7. 8. 9. What comes next? Great! That's 10. From here, we can see that the pattern is to count on one more. Again, the pattern is to count on one more. So that is the key word to remember, okay? If you're going to find the pattern, your answer should be like this. The pattern is to count on one more, either 2 more or 3 more, whatever is that.
Another example is a number that starts with number 2. If we count on 2 more, the next number will be 4. Next, 6. Next, 8. Next, 10. Next, 12. The next one, 14. And the last one is 16. Again, the pattern is to count on 2 more. And now, observe the given patterns to find the next 4 numbers. Look at again the pattern. What can you observe? Correct. When we subtract 4 from 40, so we get 36. Next one is 36 minus 4 equals 32. Correct. Then next, 32 minus 4. What is 32 minus 4? Great! That is equal to 28. So the next number will be 28 minus 4 equals 24. Yes, 24. Next, 20. Next, 20 minus 4, 16. Therefore, the pattern is to count back 4 less. Again, the pattern is to count back 4 less.
And now, it's your turn. Please get your worksheet and your pencil. Again, get your worksheet and your pencil and answer the questions carefully. I hope you've learned from our discussion today. Enjoy answering your worksheet. Thank you all for your cooperation. See you very soon. Keep safe, everyone. I miss you all.